What a lot of people don't realize is for years, they may have been using generic finasteride, spray-on minoxidil. They're not really able to say that they've seen any significant improvement. And I thought, why don't we just put it together into a single pill? Locklab. What I didn't anticipate was how much of a change it was going to do. A number of our patients have had these earth-shattering results where areas that were pretty bald filled in completely. It makes perfect sense though, because an oral form is far more effective than a topical. What we're seeing is that the 5 milligrams really is the most effective dose as far as getting the most dramatic results with the least amount of trouble and side effects. Countless patients, their results at 4 to 6 months are so good. Their hair growth, their hair rate of growth, that when they come back in, they're seriously asking me, do you think I still need a transplant? I'm never going to do surgery on somebody that doesn't need it. It's about really doing the right thing, using the specific combination with the specific dosage through Locklab. There's a big difference between being completely bald, smooth baby butt bald, and really so thin that it looks like it's completely bald. So even though it may be kind of wispy and on its way out, every patient is going to have some benefit. 30% have crazy amazing results, but at the very least, the worst case scenario is it will freeze frame you where you are so you don't keep losing more hair. This is the beauty of this combination.